this video, we're going to look at how to add a Sitelink extension to your campaign. So from any point inside your account, you need to click on the Adds and Extensions link here, and then on Extensions. And initially you want to change to here to Extensions View. Now this will show any extensions that you already have added to the account. The Associations View shows you individual campaigns which have extensions added on them. So as you can see, this is a test account, it's brand new, we don't have any extensions. So we start either clicking this button or by clicking this one up here, and I'm going to add a Sitelink extension. So at this point you can choose whether you're going to add it to the entire account, which means any campaign that you create will use this Sitelink extension. You can add it to a particular campaign, and it gives you the option then to search for which campaign you'd like to add it to. Or you can add it to a specific ad group. So if I click on this campaign, then I can choose a specific ad group that I want to show, if I want to show it there. Now it's important to know the sort of hierarchy of Sitelink extensions. So if you have an ad group extension, it will override any at the campaign or account level. If you have a campaign extension, it overrides any at the account level. And if you don't specifically add an extension, this applies to all extensions, not just Sitelinks. If you don't specifically add an extension to either a campaign or an ad group, it will automatically default to any extensions that are set at the account level. So I am going to create an account level Sitelink extension here. So account level Sitelinks, or any extension for that matter, need to be fairly broad. So the campaign example is just a tiny little test campaign that I have set up here, is imagining that it's for a sort of sporting goods retailer. An account level Sitelink extension, for example, you'd think about linking to particular product categories. So you might have one that says sports equipment. Okay, and you'll add I'm just making this up. I don't actually have that website. So we have all types of equipment. You need to kind of plan these and think about it a little bit more than I am here. All types of equipment for all sports. Oh, it's gone over the limit. All sports indoors and outdoors. Okay. So then you would link to your category page for your sports equipment. You can add a tracking template if you want to, and you can actually specify that you only want to show it on mobile, or that you want it to show on to start at a certain date. So if you want it to schedule it to start on a future date, you want to set something up in advance, maybe if you have a new category coming, or some special offers or something like that. You can schedule them a start and an end date here, or you can schedule them to only show on certain days of the week and at certain times of the day. I'm leaving it all as standard here, and then you just hit save. So that's your first Sitelink extension. It is best practice to always include your two-line description. You don't have to. So I could just show you here. We could have ladies clothing. We do need a URL, and then that would still go to the appropriate category, for example. And you can leave the description lines and just leave it like this. it is, as I said, best practice to include the description, because then when it shows online, Google does have the option to add that extra description and gives you a lot more room in the SERPs. So best practice again would be to have at least 4 site links set up. You ideally 6, so that gives Google will only show 4, but it gives them a choice of which ones to show. Always include the description lines, and always think about having individual campaign and even ad group level site links so that they can be as relevant as possible to the keywords that somebody is searching for. So as an example, in the campaign that I have set up here, it's for hiking boots. So I wanted to add a site link to hiking boots. Then I would be talking here about ladies hiking boots, men's hiking boots, maybe children's hiking boots, and hiking boot kind of cleaners or accessories or something, but they would all be related to these. So think about how your campaigns are structured and set your site links up to match that structure, and that will get you the best possible results with your site links. So if you go to your associations view, now I can see my site links and I can see that they're all added at the account level. If I wanted to, from here, I can check on, select a site link, and then I can add it to a campaign or an ad group. And that's how, so if you create one site link that maybe would be suitable for a few different campaigns, you can create it, come in here, select the campaign, and then choose whichever campaigns you want to add that to. And there we go. That is how you set up your Sitelink extensions.